Today we are looking at what colours come in a pack of 72 Honolulu Ohuhu alcohol markers. Hey Doodles, Smurf here. We will be filling in today my swatch that I made. I don't particularly like the way the original Ohuhu swatches you get in the pack are ordered, so I made my own. GY6 Anise, GY173 Dim Green, Y3 Barium Yellow, next is Y2 Sunflower, next is YR Free Melon Yellow, YR2 Marigold, YR1 Dark Yellow, Y4 Quince, YR3 Orange, Y5 Rouge Orange, R9 Pastel Rose, R10 Pastel Pink, RP6 Vivid Pink, RP1 Vivid Reddish Purple, P1 Vivid Purple, R12 Rose Bouvard, R5 Cherry Pink. As I've mentioned in another one of my videos, guys, I go from left across the page, then right. It makes the colours flow a little bit better. R7 Old Red, R8 Geranium. I generally colour this in a little bit more careful, but for the interest of not sitting here for hours getting this video shot, I'm going a little bit faster. R1 Coral Pink, R2 Vermilion, R4 Deep Red, R11 Mauve Shadow, P3 Pastel Violet, P4 Lavender, P2 Light Violet, P5 Aubergine, PB1 Sky Blue, PB7 Pastel Blue, PB8 Cerulean Blue, PB9 Cloud Blue, B64 Indian Blue, PB6 Royal Blue, that really bleeds too, R13 Clematis, PB2 Brilliant Blue, BR3 Rose Beige, YR4 Salmon Pink, BR2 Potato Brown, BR1 Raw Umber, YR5 Terracotta, GY172 Spectrum Green, GY1 Pale Green, GY3 Bud Green, GY2 Grass Green, G8 Glass Green, G2 Vivid Green, G1 Emerald Green, BG1 Turquoise Green, GY7 Sugarcane, GY4 Yellow Green, GY5 Absinthe. Let's see if we can't botch the name of this one. This is GY8 Petit Poise, BG4 Mint Blue, PB10 Turquoise Green Light, G4 Mint Green Light, G6 Dusty Jade Green, G5 Turquoise Ink Blue, BG5 Dolphin Blue, G9 Meadow Green, Warm Grey 1, Cool Grey 20, Blue Grey 3, Cool Grey 2, Green Grey 1, Green Grey 3, Cool Grey 2-4, Cool Grey 2-5, Warm Grey 3, Warm Grey 4, Green Grey 5, Cool Grey 2-7, 120 Black, And last but not least, Zero Colourless Blender. So Doodles, this is it for our 72 Honolulu marker set swatch. You can find the swatches on my Gumroad page, which a link will be in the description. Until next time guys, make sure you keep doodling.